Similar to how we set up our coin to be collectible, we're going to go ahead and make it so that we can interact with our shark arms dealer. So let's go ahead and let's rotate our camera around here. Let me just look in the scene view. Go ahead and select your market, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we're working with our shark. So here's our shark arms dealer advertising fish, but clearly not selling fish. If you click on him, we've already added a collider to him so that we can kind of shoot him. But what we want to do is we actually want to extend this interaction out. We're going to be able to stand in front of his shop, and when we hit the E key, we're going to trade him a weapon. Oh, I'm sorry, we're going to trade him a coin for the weapon. So let's go ahead and just get that set up. So if we click on our shark man, you'll see here's this collider. Edit the collider. Let's go ahead and grab this anchor point and just drag it forward. And we'll go ahead and make it about the size of the actual booth. So I'd say that's pretty good. And let's go ahead and drag it out on the sides. So about right there to about, all right, I'd say that looks pretty good. We can go ahead and drag it out to the side here. Okay, I'd say that is pretty good. Looking at this, and here we can go ahead and drag it more over here if we need to. Just want to make sure it's not hitting the soda machine here. All right, and that looks pretty good. Okay, so basically what we can do now is we can walk up to the shark booth here, and when we hit the E key, we're going to go ahead and trade him our coin for the weapon. Now, there's all sorts of logic involved in that. For example, what if I hit the E key but I don't have a coin? Then nothing's going to happen. He's just going to ignore us. However, when we hit the E key and we buy the weapon, we have an audio sound called You Win that we're going to play, and it sounds like this. So once we get it, that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so to continue the setup here, what we want to do is select our shark and our shark man. And just like before, just like with the coin, is trigger must be checked, as well as rigid body must be attached. Turn gravity off so nothing falls. And the reason why we need a rigid body again, guys, is because this triggered event will not get called unless one of the colliding figures have a rigid body. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and we'll look at the behavior script for creating the shop Sharkman.